1. 1973 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $22,500, located in East Dubuque, Illinois. This 1973 Chevrolet Nova is a beautifully rebuilt classic muscle car that combines aggressive styling with an extensive list of upgraded performance and restoration components. Powered by a strong engine setup paired with an automatic transmission, the car has only a few hundred miles since completion, making it an outstanding option for enthusiasts seeking a fresh and well-prepared street machine. The exterior is finished in bright red with a black interior, giving the Nova a timeless muscle car appearance. Significant investment has gone into the build, including new fenders, inner fenders, rear half panels, lower rear fender skins, and upgraded billet hood hinges. The vehicle also features a Dakota digital dash, custom wheels and tires, upgraded control arms, sway bar, and modern braking components for improved handling and driving performance. Inside, the car has been fitted with premium seats and numerous new interior trim pieces, while the electrical system has been refreshed with a new wiring harness. Additional upgrades include a complete fuel system, exhaust setup, alternator, distributor, and cooling components, creating a highly detailed and impressive Chevrolet Nova build. 2. 1964 Chevrolet Chevelle. Price, $22,000, located in Burlington, Wisconsin. This 1964 Chevrolet Chevelle is a strong-running classic muscle car that combines vintage styling with serious street performance upgrades. Powered by a 383-stroker engine paired with a legendary Muncie M22 4-speed manual transmission, the car delivers aggressive acceleration and an authentic muscle car driving experience. A durable 10-bolt rear end helps transfer power effectively, making this Chevelle both fast and exciting on the road. Finished in blue with a black interior, the vehicle presents a clean and aggressive appearance that perfectly complements its powerful drivetrain. The car has received several important upgrades, including a brand new steel cowl hood built by Blue Ribbon Customs, power front disc brakes, a new gas tank and fuel lines, electronic ignition, and a new Edelbrock 750 carburetor. Recent maintenance also includes a harmonic balancer replacement and updated manifold gaskets. The interior remains in good condition with solid seats, quality carpet, and a clean headliner. Although the trunk area and rocker panels show some imperfections, the rest of the body remains solid, making this Chevelle an excellent classic street machine with outstanding potential. 3. 1973 Chevrolet Nova Drag Car. Price, $12,500, located in Wellington, Ohio. This 1973 Chevrolet Nova drag car is a purpose-built race machine designed for serious eighth-mile competition and dependable track performance. Powered by a 355 small-block Chevrolet engine equipped with AFR 220 cubic centimeters aluminum heads and a .630 solid roller camshaft, the car delivers strong horsepower and quick acceleration. The engine is paired with a Powerglide transmission featuring a trans brake, creating an ideal setup for hard launches and consistent racing performance. The car is equipped with a professional KNR wiring system and an ADP gas carburetor, providing reliable operation and clean engine management. Built specifically for drag racing, this Nova is capable of running impressive 7.40 to 7.50 second passes in the eighth mile, making it a highly competitive bracket or local race car. Included with the package is an enclosed vintage trailer equipped with working brakes, lights, and good tires, offering added convenience for transportation and race weekends. Although the trailer interior could use some cosmetic attention, this overall package represents an excellent opportunity for racers seeking a ready-to-run drag car and trailer combination. 4. 1948 Chevrolet Fleetline Pro Street. Price, $17,500, located in Paducah, Kentucky. This 1948 Chevrolet Fleetline Pro Street is a unique custom build that blends classic post-war styling with modern performance and comfort features. The vehicle has been upgraded with a drivetrain and dashboard sourced from a mid-1990s Pontiac Trans Am, giving the car improved reliability, drivability, and a modernized interior appearance. Equipped with both heating and air conditioning, this Fleetline offers a comfortable driving experience rarely found in classic pro street builds. The exterior retains the iconic flowing body lines that made the Fleetline famous, while the interior has been customized with power windows, power door locks, and upgraded components throughout the cabin. The car runs and drives very well, making it suitable for cruising, local car shows, and weekend events. Additional features include dual battery boxes and a clean custom interior that complements the vehicle's aggressive personality. While the paint does show some cracking in certain areas, the overall presentation remains attractive and functional. This fleet line represents an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a distinctive classic Chevrolet with modern upgrades and unmistakable street presence. 5. 1979 Chevrolet Malibu 1LT Sedan 4D. Price, $45,000, located in Springfield, Ohio. This 1979 Chevrolet Malibu 1LT sedan is a professionally assembled race-inspired muscle car built with serious high-performance components throughout. Powered by a fresh 468 cubic inch big block engine running on race fuel, the vehicle delivers tremendous horsepower and aggressive acceleration. The engine is paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission and a 3500 stall converter, creating a drivetrain combination designed for strong launches and reliable power delivery. The rear end features a Ford 9-inch setup with 4.11 gears, helping maximize traction and performance both on the street and at the drag strip. Additional performance upgrades include Willwood brakes on all four corners, adjustable coilover suspension front and rear, and brand new billet specialties wheels wrapped in fresh Hoosier tires. The large rear tire setup gives the car a true pro street appearance with impressive stance and traction capability. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this Malibu has been assembled with great attention to detail and quality craftsmanship. It represents an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a clean, powerful, and race-ready classic Chevrolet sedan. 6. 1978 Chevrolet Malibu. Price, $29,000, located in Milo, Alberta. This 1978 Chevrolet Malibu is a serious pro street machine built for high horsepower performance and aggressive drag racing capability. Under the hood sits a massive 505 big block Chevrolet engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission and a 5000 stall converter, delivering tremendous acceleration and outstanding track performance. The engine build includes premium high-performance components such as Jessel valve train hardware and Brodix cylinder heads, making this Malibu an extremely powerful street and strip car. The drivetrain is supported by a Ford 9-inch rear end equipped with 4.56 gears, while the car rides on massive tubbed rear tires measuring 31 by 16.5 by 15 for maximum traction. A full roll cage with swing-out door bars has been professionally installed, providing both safety and structural rigidity for racing use. Finished in classic Malibu styling, the car remains licensed and insured, making it suitable for both street driving and weekend drag strip action. Although the vehicle could still benefit from minor finishing work, the majority of the build has already been completed to a very high standard. This Malibu represents an outstanding opportunity for buyers seeking a powerful and well-equipped pro street classic. 7. 1971 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $8,500, located in Ripley, West Virginia. This 1971 Chevrolet Nova is a solid classic muscle car project with excellent potential for restoration, cruising, or future performance upgrades. Powered by a dependable 307 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, the car runs and drives well, making it an ideal platform for enthusiasts who want a functional classic they can improve over time. Finished in red with a factory black interior, this Nova maintains the timeless appearance that made early 1970s Chevrolet muscle cars so popular among collectors and street car enthusiasts. The frame rails and rocker panels are reported to be solid, giving the vehicle a strong structural foundation for restoration or customization. The car presents itself as a great opportunity for someone searching for a vintage Nova that can be enjoyed immediately while still offering room for future upgrades. Whether transformed into a street machine, weekend cruiser, or mild drag build, the Chevrolet Nova provides classic styling, dependable drivability, and strong project potential at an affordable price point. 8. 1984 Ford Mustang LX Hatchback 2D. Price, $26,500, located in Rio Rancho, New Mexico. This 1984 Ford Mustang LX hatchback is a professionally built big-tire drag car designed for competitive racing and consistent no-prep performance. Equipped with a powerful big block engine and nitrous setup paired to a Powerglide transmission, the car delivers impressive acceleration while remaining surprisingly manageable and easy to drive. Its setup makes it an excellent candidate for the increasingly popular 6.0 index racing class. The chassis features a certified TIG welded roll cage and a professionally engineered 4-link rear suspension system that provides excellent traction and stability on difficult racing surfaces. Built specifically for high-performance use, the Mustang hooks exceptionally well during launches and remains capable of serious drag strip performance. Finished in a bright orange exterior, the vehicle has an aggressive appearance that matches its race-ready personality. This Mustang is fully prepared for racing and includes many high-quality components already installed, saving the next owner significant build time and expense. It represents an excellent opportunity for racers seeking a serious big-tire drag car with proven capability. 9. 1961 Morris Minor 1000 Street Strip. Price, $30,000, located in Berea, Kentucky. This 1961 Morris Minor 1000 Street Strip car is an extremely unique lightweight performance machine built to deliver outstanding acceleration and unforgettable street presence. Powered by a 434 Dart engine equipped with Brodix cylinder heads, the car produces more than 600 horsepower naturally aspirated while also featuring an additional 500-shot nitrous system for extreme racing performance. Weighing only around 1,700 pounds, this Morris Minor offers an incredible power-to-weight ratio capable of producing impressive 9-second quarter-mile performance. The vehicle has been professionally assembled with extensive modifications throughout, creating a highly competitive street and strip setup with exceptional performance capability. Finished in eye-catching purple inside and out, the car stands apart from traditional muscle cars with its compact size, aggressive stance, and unmistakable personality. Despite its extreme performance, the vehicle remains street legal with a clean title. This Morris Minor represents a rare opportunity for buyers seeking a one-of-a-kind high-horsepower street and strip machine with show-stopping appearance and serious drag racing potential. 10. 1970 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $32,500, located in Sawyer, Michigan. This 1970 Chevrolet Nova is a beautifully maintained classic muscle car that combines timeless Chevrolet styling with the reliability and performance of a modern LS engine conversion. Built as an excellent driving vehicle, the car delivers smooth power, dependable operation, and impressive street manners, making it ideal for cruising, local car shows, and weekend driving events. Under the hood sits a professionally installed LS engine setup paired with an automatic transmission, creating a strong combination of modern performance and classic muscle car personality. The vehicle also features power steering and power brakes, greatly improving driving comfort and handling while maintaining the vintage appeal that makes the 1970 Nova so desirable among enthusiasts. Finished in an attractive gold exterior with a black interior, the car presents a clean and aggressive appearance that captures attention immediately. The body remains very straight and well cared for, while the interior offers a comfortable and functional driving environment. This Nova represents an excellent opportunity for buyers seeking a classic Chevrolet with updated drivability, strong performance, and dependable modern mechanical upgrades. 11. 1971 Ford Maverick. Price, $30,000, located in Linville, Indiana. This 1971 Ford Maverick is a professionally built turbocharged race car engineered for serious drag racing competition and exceptional high horsepower performance. Constructed on a square tube chassis, the car is currently configured for small tire racing but can easily accommodate larger tire setups if desired. The suspension system includes new ladder bars, McCamus anti-roll components, Strange double adjustable rear shocks, and AFCO adjustable front shocks for outstanding traction and handling control. The drivetrain features a JW Powerglide transmission with a diode converter and a Ford rear end equipped with 4.11 gears and 35 spline axles. Power comes from a Dart IE engine block fitted with C3/8 cylinder heads, Jezel valve train components, and a turbo grind camshaft. The engine was recently refreshed and has very limited runtime since completion. Additional features include twin 67 turbochargers, a Blueprint E85 carburetor setup, onboard air compressor system, air launcher parachute release, Willwood brakes, and complete 16-volt electrical operation. This Maverick is a highly competitive race build with exceptional engineering throughout. 12. 1978 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $12,500, located in Mt. Vernon, Kentucky. This 1978 Chevrolet Nova is a well-equipped classic street machine built with a strong combination of performance upgrades and everyday drivability. Powered by a healthy 350 engine fitted with aluminum Promax cylinder heads, aluminum intake manifold, performance camshaft, and a 750 Holley carburetor, the car delivers impressive throttle response and strong acceleration while maintaining reliable operation for street use. The drivetrain includes a 700R4 overdrive automatic transmission and a 3.73 Posey traction rear end, allowing comfortable highway cruising while still providing strong off-the-line performance. Additional upgrades include headers, Flowmaster dual exhaust, racing seats, large front disc brakes, and ABS shifter, giving the car a true muscle car driving experience. Finished with classic rally wheels and an aggressive stance, this Nova presents a clean and powerful appearance. Numerous recent upgrades include a new water pump, alternator, brake lines, master cylinder, door panels, and dash pad. This Chevrolet Nova represents an excellent balance of classic style, street performance, and dependable drivability for any muscle car enthusiast.